What I didn't like that piggybacks with that is then it became only data and statistics. So all that wonderful planning and collaborating, and now everyone's on the same page, then it became no longer the student, it was what's that student's learning level.
Mhm.
So that was no longer a child, it was a category that needed to be fixed. It wasn't a child that needed
Ooh, I
encouragement,
love
it
that.
was, this is a bubble kid. That was my favorite. These are kids on the bubble. And we 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 almost stopped. It was easy
Yeah.
to forget that they were children. It was easy to forget. There's something that started off so positive that I think the majority of our teachers in our district were thrilled with, then turned into a data driven nightmare of statistics. And that's what every meeting after
About
that was. How are you meeting this particular standard? And why isn't so and so meeting it? Well, so and so
yep.
may not have had
Yep.
breakfast, and so may have just
Right.
moved last, and
Yep.
they didn't want to hear that. They didn't care. It was like, it doesn't matter. You have to it wasn't you have to help this child feel better. It became you have to help this child succeed,
Yeah.
data driven. And
Yeah.
we lost the child. Some that the whole No Child Left Behind morphed into we're going to leave a
No,
whole student behind now.
I
So that
totally
was
agree. I mean, you like
um
you guys nailed it. Like nailed it. I totally agree that and I do get it. I do get and understand that we do need the data, we do need the information, we do need those things, but I agree that it takes it away from these being human students that are living lives that a lot of times are lifing, at 6 a.m. in the morning to bring them into the classroom and expect, these test scores, these results to truly reflect what they even know and or understand, because like we talked about at the beginning, all of these other personal things that they're going through. And then you're putting teachers in a position where again it's just about this data, and so you don't have that warm touch, or you're not maybe connected to give a hug and to give it to the teachers too. Like, we understand, like, life is also lifing for you, and you have 35 students that you know of those 35, 15 need a hug, need a friendly smile, need a clean clothes, need an extra meal, without the homeroom parent assistance, without the parent coming in to see how they can actually be a partner. um so I agree with that.